This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to see who followed you most recently on Letterboxd. So I'm here on my Letterboxd profile. If you're over here, maybe you're somewhere else on Letterboxd, you might be on the main page. You will hover over your profile image at the top here and you'll click on profile. So now to actually see who's followed you recently, we will click on activity. So second one along on the tabs right here. Once that's open, so you have friends, you have you, and you have incoming. Incoming is the one that we want. We click there, and now you can click at the bottom for load older activity if you want to, but essentially this is all of the incoming. That is the things that have happened to reviews and things on your profile. So you see here people have liked some of my reviews, they've liked some of my lists. You'll see all of that there, and you'll also see which people have followed you. So you have these notifications. I see here this person has followed me, this person, Puff Red, has followed me, Bake has followed me, and so on and so forth. So you can start to see who has followed you recently. So that is the way that you find out who has followed you most recently on Letterboxd. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.